This is how we can disable airdrop on the iPhone. So there are more things you need to know about it. First of all, if you swipe down from the top right to access the control center, you can tap on the connection button or platter in here. So just expand it like this. And we have the airdrop in here. So you can get it inside. And essentially, if you want to disable it, you want to select the receiving off because you might be visible for everyone, to everyone for 15 or 10 minutes, or contacts only, or receiving off. So if you click on the receiving off, the airdrop is actually disabled. You can see it even made the icon look gray, and that means that you are not visible to other people. As I said, there are more things to it because you can also go to the settings in part of the general section. You should also find airdrop in there, and you have the same selector at the top, receiving off, contacts, or everyone. But there is also things like bringing devices together, which essentially lets you put an iPhone close to another, and it can also exchange information that way. So you might like that, or you might want to disable it. Right, and you can also see the out of range airdrop using cellular data, which is, like continuing sharing files even when the devices are now not longer like close together anymore. So that's essentially it. That's how you can disable it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.